Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katarina, and I'm the owner of Five Hearts Refinishing here up in Valley View, Alberta. On today's episode, while I wait for product to arrive to complete a project, I thought it would be fun to share with you some of my favorite furniture refinishing and restoration creators from around the world. I have learned an incredible amount of knowledge from each and every one of these artists, and I just wanted to share that with you, in hopes that this allows you the opportunity to discover other amazing channels that educate and inspire you to start and finish your own projects. So let's get started.
My name is Katarina, and I live in a small town in beautiful northern Alberta. I restore and refinish furniture, both for myself and for clients. Welcome to my shop.
Curtis Johnson Antique Furniture Restoration is located in Gorham, Maine in the US, and offers videos that document his restoration of a wide variety of antique and fine furniture pieces. Tom has been restoring furniture professionally since 1979 and has a wide variety of content on his channel that documents so many different types of restorations. A viewer can watch hours and hours of beautifully restored and refinished furniture being transformed before their eyes. One of my very favorite episodes of this channel is this one is in pieces. I have it linked below and you can take a look at it. It is fantastic what he ends up doing with this project and literally putting it back together. So make sure you check that episode out and check out his channel as well. The next one, which is a favorite of mine, is Modern Makeovers. This is based in Ontario, Canada, and it is run by the creator, Andy. Andy from Modern Makeovers completely transforms furniture and creates stunning modern-day creations. This channel is an ASMR lover's dream and visual playground. He is a master at creating interesting content and stunning makeovers. Every episode is fascinating to watch as he literally takes trash pieces and transforms them into modern-day functional pieces of furniture that will literally travel with us into the next century. A favorite episode of mine is when he gets an antique gentleman's chest off of Facebook Marketplace for $50 and then completely transforms it. You should really check this one out. The third one that is a go-to and a regular on my search for knowledge and inspiration is John's Furniture Repair. This channel is family-owned, and it is owned and operated by Trina and is based in beautiful Saskatchewan, Canada. She and I have similar channels in that she showcases her clients' pieces as well. She loves to share her wealth of information and knowledge that she has learned both from her father, John, who's now retired, and from growing up in the industry her whole life. Most all of the projects she completes are challenging and offer a fantastic opportunity to teach the viewer how to properly repair and restore a beautiful piece of furniture the right way. I have learned a lot watching this channel, and I highly recommend give it a try because there are so many different types of projects on there. There's something for everybody, and one of my favorite episodes with her is this massive hutch piece that she completely redid. And it was a total disaster. And that project must have taken her quite a while, and it was worth every bit of sweat equity that she put into it. I think you should absolutely check that one out. Link is in the description below. The fourth content creator that I love to watch and I learn a ton of information from is called Fixing Furniture. On this channel, Scott Bennett shares his knowledge about furniture restoration as he feels it is a disappearing craft, which I second that thought. He shares with the viewer the tools, tips, and techniques to repair and restore beautiful pieces of furniture. His ability to work through and break down a project and explain it in simple layman's terms is perfect for the beginner refinisher all the way up to the most advanced. One of my favorite episodes with him is called Restoring a Broken Desk, and it is a mess and needed so much love, and he did an absolutely phenomenal job working on that piece, and it is one of my favorites to date from his channel. Next up is the channel Transcend Furniture Gallery. This channel is based out of Nova Scotia and the content creator is named Angie. And her channel focuses on taking neglected and unwanted pieces of furniture and really giving them some new life. She sources a lot of her pieces from thrift stores, private sales, auctions, estate sales, roadside, and just some really good friends of friends. Many of her pieces on her channel are mid-century modern, and her style is very simple and clean, and I really appreciate the look that she puts out on her channel and on her pieces. She has taught me a lot about how to work with veneers and mid-century modern. So definitely make sure to check her out. One of my absolute favorite episodes with her was the one named Dumpster Dresser. It is showcasing an amazing restoration of a trashed mid-century dresser. This piece is an absolutely gorgeous piece in the end. So definitely recommend you check out that. So, heading down south into the United States, we have a channel called Restorology. This one, the content creator's name is Matt. On this channel, Matt shares his love of bringing new life to old things. Sound familiar? And not only does he want to entertain us with some very interesting projects, he also wants to share with us what he learns as he works to repair and restore the items that others would normally toss in the bin. That's where some of us get our best pieces, is in the garbage, funny enough, because I don't know what it is. Maybe some people just aren't able to see what we see. Maybe we're just built different. I'm not sure, but a lot of us find some really fantastic pieces in the garbage. One of my favorite episodes on his channel is called Repairing a Christmas Pyramid for a Subscriber. It's a super cute episode, very sentimental, which is always a favorite thing to watch for me. I love the stories that come with pieces and what makes them special for a person. So make sure to check that one out. Last but not least, there are certainly others that I love as well, but these ones I'm always kind of gravitating towards as my go-tos when I'm interested in learning or watching something. Mayfield Restorations. This one, we have to take a swim over the pond. This channel is owned by David, and he is located in the northwest of England. He works out of his small home shop, restoring and refinishing vintage furniture. He's always loved DIYing, crafting, building, fixing, and restoring things, something I definitely share in common with him. It is a very similar journey to my own, as I've always loved working with my hands, building and fixing things to make them better. And like me, everything you see him do is self-taught, and YouTube has been a very large part of this process. One of my favorite episodes on his channel is the 1950s display cabinet episode, where he completely redoes an old display cabinet that I personally love the shape of and definitely needs some help. So make sure to check out that episode on his channel. That's the list for now. There are so many other channels and creators out there with amazing content, and these are just a few of mine that I love to watch regularly, both for educational purposes and inspiration. Feel free to share some of your own favorite content creators in the comments below, so we can all benefit from the vast amount of knowledge and creativity that is out there in this beautiful, amazing industry. To see a list of all the creators and their specific channels, check out the description box where I have put all of their channel links that will take you to them directly. Please go and support these creators by hitting that subscribe button and watching their content. It really does make a difference for every single one of us. Thank you all for joining me today on this episode. I'll be back in 2 weeks with an absolutely stunning project for you, where I take an old 1930s Art Deco sideboard and transform it into something modern and beautiful. If you liked this video though, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like, share, and comment below. Joining as a channel member now can be done by hitting that beautiful link in the description box below. See you guys in a couple weeks. I hope you have a beautiful weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye for now, friends.